If you're hard on your workwear and tired of replacing it so often, or just want something hard-wearing and looks good, this Denim Conti pants and jacket from Beck are a perfect option. Made from quality, hard-wearing 100% denim, with safety stitch seams, and industrial strength YKK zips, and a zipper flap. The jacket has a breast pocket with pen section and a stud flap. 2 large bottom pockets. The pants have a triple stitched back rise and inleg for extended durability. 1 back and 2 side double stitched patch pockets. Bar tacks on the stress points. Belt hoops. An elasticated back for a better fit. A quality, long-lasting, high-grade option, perfect for general use. This is just one of the workwear solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on our website. Get to Builders, get it done.